how to create a YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. Okay, so I've already created this, but I'm just going to show you what I did. So I'm actually using ChatGPT 5, and I pay for the Plus version, I think it is. But you can do this with the free version. So this is the prompt I put in. Generate a YouTube thumbnail. I spelt dimensions wrong, but it works it out. 1280 pixels by 720 pixels with an aspect ratio of 16:9. That's what YouTube says the optimum. I tried this with Nana Banana with Google, and it just gives you a square. So the topic, get System IO and landing page free. The image should stand out and attract attention, aimed at stopping the scroll. Make sure the words are on the image. So this is the first one it gave me. I didn't really like it. I liked the words, but not the background. So then I said, change the background color, but leave everything else the same. And then I didn't like the stripe color here. So I then gave another prompt. Make the background color all the same as the flat purplish color. And that's what it created for me. And then you just click on the arrow pointing down and download it so you can use it. So that's how to create a YouTube thumbnail with ChatGPT. And there's many other prompts. You can upload your image and tell it to put your image in it, or upload someone else's image and tell them, and upload your image and tell them to change the existing image with your image. But this is a very basic one, but that took about 3 minutes, and I needed no design skills at all. I could have gone to Canva and done it and got a template there, but this did it just as fine. So how to create YouTube thumbnails with ChatGPT. Hope that's been of help to you.